Sai Ram students, let us continue with our chapter number 3, addition. Children, look at this picture carefully. Here, Ram, Sham and Mohan are 3 friends. All the friends have 20 marbles each. So, Ram has 20 marbles, Sham has 20 marbles and Mohan has 20 marbles. Children, how many they have in all? Yes, that means we have to add. That is 20 plus 20 plus 20, which is equal to 60. Children, today we are going to learn addition of 3 4-digit numbers. Children, let us see more examples. Here we have 3-digit number plus 2-digit number plus 2-digit number, and we have to find the sum. The question is 838 plus 20 plus 45. First we have to draw your table or columns. Write the places properly: ones, tens, hundreds. Then we have to place the numbers properly in the proper place, and then we have to add. While addition, we have to start from ones place, which is very important. In ones place, we have 8 plus 0 plus 5. 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 5 is 13. Children, I have got here 13, which is a 2-digit number. That means I have to carry over. While carry over, the first digit will go to the next place, which is in tens place. So 1 I have to write in tens place and 3 I will write in ones place. Then moving towards tens place. Children, in tens place we have 1 carryover and 3 digits to add. So let's add. Start with your carryover. Don't forget it. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So here I have got 10. This number 1 will go up as carryover in the hundreds place, and 0 will be here in tens place. Then moving towards hundreds place, we have here 1 as carryover and number 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. That is how we'll get our answer. The answer is 903. Children, let us see one more example. We have to add 4,913 plus 5,062 plus 7,428. Here we have 3 numbers to add. Children, first draw your box properly, your columns, and write all the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Children, place all the numbers in their proper place. While adding, we have to start from ones place. So let us add. Children, in ones place we have 3 plus 2 plus 8. We have 3 digits that we have to add. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. As we have got 2 digits as our answer, the first digit will go in the tens place as carry over, and number 3 you have to write in ones place. After that, we have moving towards tens place, we have 1 carryover and 3 digits. So let us add. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1 will be carry over in hundreds place and 0 you will write in tens place. After that, in hundreds place we have 1 carry over and 9 plus 0 plus 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. And 10 plus 4 is 14. So 1 will be carry over in thousands place and 4 you have to write in hundreds place. After that, in thousands place we have 1 as carry over, that we have to add to 4 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. Again 1 will go in the next place, which is 10,000s place, as carry over. Number 7 you have to write in thousands place. In 10,000 place we don't have any number, we only have 1 carry over. So write 1 in 10,000s place. Our final answer is 17,403. Children, now take out your notebook and let us continue with exercise 3.2. In that, in exercise 3.2, question number 1 and question number 2 we have already done. Now note down question number 3. Find the following sum. A1, a question is 2,685 plus 1,340 plus 2,139. We have to add from ones place. 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 9 is 14. So 1 will be carry over in tens place and number 4 we have to write in ones place. In tens place we have to add 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 13 plus 3 is 16. Again 1 will be carry over in hundreds place and 6 we have to write in tens place. In hundreds place we have 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 will be carry over again in the next number, which is thousands place, and 1 we have to write in hundreds place. In thousands place we have 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 6. So our answer is 6,164. B1. Children, look at the question carefully. Let us add from ones place. In ones place we have 7 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 12. 1 will be carry over and 2 you will write in ones place. In tens place we have 1 carry over, then 1 plus 7 plus 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So again the first digit will be carry over to the next number or the next place, which is hundreds place. Here 1 and 3 we have to write in tens place. In hundreds place we have 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 21. Now 21. The first digit is 2, which will go up as carry over in thousands place. And number 1, you have to write it down in hundreds place. Then in thousands place, we have 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So our final answer is 9132. C1. Children, note down the question properly. Let us add from ones place. 3 plus 0 plus 9 is 12. 1 will be carry over and 2 will write in ones place. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 we have in tens place, which is equal to 14. So again 1 will be carry over and 4 we have to write in tens place. In hundreds place, we have 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2, which is equal to 13. Children, here 1 will be carry over in thousands place and 3 will write in hundreds place. Then we have to add 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 in thousands place, which is equal to 20. So 2 will be carry over in 10,000s place and 0 will write in thousands place. Children, you can see there are no numbers or no digits in 10,000s place. We have only one carry over, which is number 2. So directly you can write number 2 in 10,000s place. Our final answer is 20,342. Children, now let us move on to our next question. Question number 4. Add the following numbers: A sum and B sum. Children, here 3 numbers are given which we have to add. The A question is 9,237, 1,085, 4,827. We have to add all these 3 numbers. So first we have to draw the table properly. Write all the numbers in the proper place. Then we are going to start adding the numbers or the digits from ones place. So let us add. In ones place, we have 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is equal to 19. As we have got here 2 digits, 1 will be carry over in tens place and number 9 we have to write in ones place. In tens place, we have 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 14. So 1 will be carry over in hundreds place and 4 we have to write in tens place. The next place in hundreds place, we have 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8, which is equal to 11. 1 again will be carry over in the thousands place and 1 we have to write in hundreds place. Children, in thousands place, we have 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 15. Children, 15, it is a 2-digit number. So 1 it will carry over in the 10,000s place and 5 we have to write in thousands place. You can see here in 10,000s place we have only 1 as carry over. There are no other numbers here. So we have to write 1 directly in 10,000s place. Children, our final answer is 15,149. The B question is 1,326, 2,108, 9,046. All these three numbers we have to add. So again we have to draw the columns properly, the table properly, write the numbers in the proper place, and then we have to add. While adding we have to start from ones place. So let us add. In ones place we have 6 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 20. 2 will be carried over in the tens place and 0 will write in ones place. Children, in tens place we have 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4, which is equal to 8. It is a single digit number, so there is no carryover in the hundreds place. We'll write number 8 directly in tens place. In hundreds place we have 3 plus 1 plus 0, which is equal to 4. Again in thousands place we don't have any carryover. We have to add 1 plus 2 plus 9, which is equal to 12. So 1 will be carried over in the 10,000s place and 2 we will write in thousands place. Children, in 10,000s place we have only 1 as carryover. So write directly in the 10,000s place. Our final answer is 12,480. Children, till here we have done the sums from exercise 3.2. You have to note it down in your notebook. Now I will be giving you few homework sums. That also please note it down. Question number 3. Find the following sum. From here we have the homework sum, the D sum. You have to draw the table and note down the question properly. The next sum, E1. Note down the question, children. The next one. The last one is from question number 4. Add the following numbers. We have 2 more sums left. So you are going to do as homework. Practice in your home, children. Thank you so much.